Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by visually inspecting the port and cable ends to know what to match. Look for the port shape and connector size. This tells you the family like USB-A, Micro B, or USB-C. Once done, note printed markings such as SS or 3. 0 that indicates speed class, and any power symbols that imply charging orientation or higher current. Make sure to compare both ends because a cable can be asymmetric. This first step avoids wrong connections and saves time. Now you examine pin count and the connectors keyed features to differentiate data versus charging-only cables. You should count contacts and view the internal plastic tongue color. More contacts often mean higher data capability. Once this inspection is done, compare the shell profile. Flat for Type A, small trapezoid for Micro B, symmetrical for USB-C, to standard shapes. This confirms compatibility. Make sure to inspect both cable ends and any adapters, so you finish by testing the cable under real conditions. Plug into a known good device and transfer a small file while observing charging behavior. If you see slow speeds or no data, swap ports and another cable to isolate whether the cable or device is at fault. Once you identify the failure, inspect for physical damage like bent pins or frayed shielding, which explains intermittent issues. If things go wrong, first try a different port. Many problems are port-specific, not cable-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.